Good day, guys. I thought in this video I want to share with you guys how I deal with scientific notations. All right. So one of the things that you need to remember is actually the rules for exponents. Okay. So let me just give a run through for at least two things, which are multiplication and division. The first one being when you deal with multiplication, you add those exponents together. So what I mean by that is if you have y equals to ax, right? You can input these values. So let's say you have 0.5 times 10 to the power of 2, and then you have 0.255 times 10 to the power of 12. Okay, so what we can do is treat this as AB and times CD, and I can rearrange that to be AC, sorry, 0.5 times 0.255. So this is AC times BD. So that is 10 power of 2 multiplied with 10 power of 12. Okay, and then what we have after that is, so you just multiply 0.5 with 0.255, and that gives you a value of 0.1275. And then to deal with this part, you know that if I have a power of, let's say, k multiplied with a power of l, what I will have is a power of k plus l. So what I mean by that is it's going to be 2 plus 12, so that's times 10 power of 14. Okay, and of course you have to simplify that into 1.275 times 10 power of 13. Okay, so that is how you deal with multiplication. What about division? Well, for division, right, we can do as such. So y equals to k over x. Then I can substitute those values in again. So 0.5 times 10 power of 2, and then 0.25 times 10 power of 12. Again, we have it in the form of AB, CD. What I can again do is I can rearrange that into A over C multiplied with B over D, right? And that will look something like this. It will look like this: 0.5 over 0.25 times 10 power of 2 and 10 power of 12. Again, just a reminder that if you have a k over al, what you actually have is a k minus l. Okay, so that means this is going to be 2 times, so 2 minus 12 is negative 10, so that's 10 power of negative 10. That is the value of y. So okay, so we have talked about how you can deal with multiplication by itself, and how we can deal with division by itself. Next, what we want to do is we want to deal with division and multiplication at the same time. So say you have this equation, right? And then with these values, what you can do is, again, you just substitute it in. So y equals to ak over x. So a is 2 times 10 power of 3, and then multiply that with k. So 0.5 times 10 power of 2 over 0.25 times 10 power of 12. Okay, so we take out all the normal constant values. So that means I can multiply 2 with 0.5 and 0.25, right? And then I put all the exponents together, which is 10 power of 3 times 10 power of 2 over 10 power of 12. So 2 times half is 1. 1 over 0.25 is 4, right? 3 plus 2 is so 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 12 is -7. So that's 10 power of -7, right? So that's how you deal with if it if it's if it's a combination, right? So that is all. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.